Hello, Namaste. Welcome to palm reading tutorial part 4. So earlier we have learned about the type of nail, shape of nail, color of nails. Now we will go for notes in finger and we will analyze one index finger. Later we will go for other finger to analyze. So that will come into in the qualities of finger. So let's move to the knot in finger. So everyone has knots in their finger. So knots in finger are generally if two types are there. So if you have a clear knots, then they will define about which can be identified by eyes and touch. If you touch that knots, it will be a rigid kind of, and you can feel that one, and it denotes very analytical approach and a very inquiring mind that asks thousands of questions about everything. This kind of people are not ready to just learning the whatever people are saying. They are keep questioning to get their answer done at in the very basic level also. And this kind of people are going in the deep of these any of the subject, and they are very they live in the world of reason and logic. So they can be good in analytical, that they can be a philosophical mathematicians, and they are good in science also. This kind of people are generally also good in data science, so where data digging and data driven approach are also present. And opposite to the clear knots, there are supple fingers. When we are touching the joints in them, they don't look prominent and coming out. So this kind of people tend to fill the gaps of their knowledge not by asking the question of others, but rather by telling themselves the possible answer to those questions. Like you have seen somewhere. So here are one example where we can analyze what kind of person that you can think of, like clear knots or supple fingers. So if suppose if there is an accident on the road, so person with a knotty fingers, like clear knots if visible on someone's palm, they will ask like, when did it happen, how many people died, whose mistake was this, and so on. But the people with a supple finger would tell himself possible answers such as, I'm sure it happened in the night. The car is crushed, so the driver definitely finished. And this kind of answer the supple finger give by themselves, not by asking. So there are two differences of the knots that we have seen. Now let's move to the quality of finger. So in the quality of finger, first finger is the index finger. So let's go deep in the index finger. So index finger are generally the one which makes a person a great leader. So they are nothing but just showing the directions, and like it is also one which makes us very dominant in nature. And the qualities that index finger shows is ambitious, pride, ego, dominance, capacity to lead, and management skills. Like, it is worth noticing that list of are not exhausted, since similar can be included. If we read this carefully, we will see that these are not entirely different and disconnected things. For example, pride and ego are the same. Like, if there is some pride and if it is dominated, then it will comes as the ego part. Now, but there is a difference in the degree of direction. In the same way, leadership, management skills, and dominance are the result of the same desire, that is, desire to rule. And you can say that ambitious is not a very different from this. Every one of us has index fingers, so everyone has all these qualities. The only difference is the degree of these qualities. An index finger of this same length as of the ring finger is average. So if you want to know if your index finger is large or small, so if you can see your index finger and ring finger. If they are of the same length, then your index finger is the average one. If index finger is larger and ring finger is smaller, then your index finger is larger one. And if your index finger is smaller and ring finger is bigger, then your index finger is the smaller one and ring finger is the longer one. So based on the average, long and short, the quality will vary. So let's go to the next part where we have the rules. So first one is that, so if you have a long finger, it will increase the quality of the finger and they come more strongly in character. In the same way, a small finger decreases the quality of the finger. This is the rule for all the fingers. So logically, a long index finger denotes high ambitions, high self-respect and a desire to be in leading and dominant position where they can feel the proud of themselves. A long index finger shows a tendency to rule and the dominant other in all sphere of the lives. These people can prove to be a good manager, but sometimes a bit arrogant too. Too long an index finger makes one dictator. People with a small index finger lack the leadership skills and have less ego and pride. The good thing is that they don't have an ego problem and not very dominating. But the bad thing is that they also have a lack of ambitions and leadership skills. So they need someone to push them to forward. Otherwise, they want to hide behind others. So generally, this kind of people you have seen around you. So somewhere people are like, teacher are giving them chance to learn, somewhere teacher are pushing to the student that please do please do this, you have I have seen you have done this one. So this kind of people are the one which who don't have the dominant index finger, but by pushing by the someone who has the knowledge, so based on this one, these people are increasing their strength. So this kind of people you have seen in your life also. And the one which has the longer and the dominant leadership qualities, then this kind of people also we have seen in our like in the teaching places, and somewhere in the management if you are working, and somewhere in the government which where this kind of quality are required. So now let's go for the rule 2. Then before that, like a finger tells the degree of the qualities possesses, like we have said, then the shape of finger also suggests the direction in which the quality are being taken. So we know that the length will describe the qualities, and now we want to know that in which direction the qualities is going. So there are 3 types, where one is the straight finger, other is the curve finger, and third one is the zigzag one. So straight finger tells that these qualities and the desire are going in the right direction, that is, the person is using them in the positive way. A curve finger tells that there is a bit of wrong direction of these qualities and desires. Like another one which is the zigzag, the zigzag finger tells that these qualities are being taken in a very negative way. So let's have a visual look how this kind of fingers are imagined. So straight finger look like this one. So if you have the straight finger, you are using your talent and your skills in a very positive way. If you are having a slightly curved finger, then you are slightly negative with your talent. And if you have a zigzag, then you are negative, you are using your talent in a very negative way. So let's analyze that how curve finger are giving a negative approach toward your quality. Like you have seen some people that people are coming and saying that I have done this one and I have done these things, I'm very much like this one. So they are the one who has the self-satisfying ego. They are appreciating themselves and saying people that I have done this one. People are not asking them, but they are the one who want to satisfy their ego and tell others that I have done these things. So these are the one which on their hand this kind of curve finger you can observe. And another one, the zigzag index finger, that a desires of leadership makes a dictator and the type of person who want to rule and dominate, and arrogance start coming and they can't bear anyone giving them direction. they are also like a flattered. This kind of person are not going to listen anyone. They are going to rule the world by their own way. So they are very negative person, so they will do anything to achieve the something in their life. So like friends, this was the little index finger information. So in the later video we will go deep down into the Saturn finger, which is the second finger, and it is going to be more towards your loneliness and your nature towards your karma. So let's catch up in the next video. If you like this information and this video, then you can thumbs up to the video, and if you want more information related to palm reading, then you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for taking the time and watching the video.